Hi everyone, we all love success stories, and today we have Sahib Noor, and she's just got her visa for Dubai for her student visa. Most importantly, today we are here to kind of talk to her about her experience, about her journey. How did she go about it in the last 1.5 years? And so, Sahib Noor, first of all, congratulations. Now we are at the stage when we can say that yes, we have finally got it.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So, just give me a brief about your previous education. आप कहाँ कौन से स्कूल से हो?
So, I have done my 11th and 12th grade from Sacred Heart Convent School, Sarabanagar. I was in non-medical. And from the very beginning, I was very interested in technology and I wanted to pursue computer science as my major.
Okay. So one of the students who was very, very sure what she wants to do, make our life very easy. What was your process in terms of shortlisting a country? Why not India? Why Dubai? And why not some other country?
I was looking for other countries as well, US, Canada, but Dubai somewhere was the perfect choice for me. It's near to India as well. And in terms of technology, it is one of the most emerging countries right now. And I believe the university I've chosen in Dubai is the right fit for me.
Yes. So Wollongong is, of course, among the top-ranked universities. And you're right in saying that Dubai is a very sweet spot. Not only in terms of education and exposure, of course, we all know Dubai is doing wonders, but also in terms of the quality of life that it has to offer to students. And secondly, I think it's from parents' perspective, it's a very safe place to be. The crime rate, if you talk about it, the drugs per se, I think that was one of the very important aspects when parents start thinking, well, I think we're celebrating in a very similar culture. So all those things are also not an issue as such, is it?
Yeah, no, it's not an issue. There is just 1 month left for me to go, and I've researched at my best that what kind of food I can get there, the things which are available in India. So almost everything which is available in India, we can get it in Dubai.
Sounds great. So tell me about your scholarship. I believe you got a scholarship as well.
Yes. Basically, when we are applying abroad, the key is to apply early, and that is why I've gotten really good scholarships. And Ayush sir has helped me with that. I've got early bird scholarships, and overall the budgeting for the tuition fee was really nice.
Well, great. I'm so happy that you are now almost ready to go, and I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Your parents have been your strength through and through. I know, shuru mein itne questions the when the moms kind of attacked my office. All the moms were there in the office, and we discussed in detail. But I believe all well now. And we got your visa. So first of all, here it is. Congratulations. This is your visa grant.
Thank you so much.
So wishing you all the very best. And thank you for trusting Team Ayush Jain.
Thank you so much.
All the best.